Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Bajaj Qute car 9-seater is set to revolutionize the compact mobility segment with its unique design, affordability, and efficiency. Bajaj Auto, known for its dominance in the three-wheeler and small car segment, has introduced this vehicle to cater to the needs of budget-conscious families and commercial operators. Combining practicality with fuel efficiency, the Qute car is a game-changer for urban and semi-urban transportation. One of the standout features of the Bajaj Qute car is its compact yet spacious design. Despite being a 9-seater, the vehicle remains small in dimensions, making it easy to maneuver through crowded city streets and narrow lanes. The lightweight body ensures better fuel efficiency while maintaining durability. Its quirky yet functional aesthetics add a modern touch, appealing to a wide range of customers looking for an economical and practical transport solution. Under the hood, the 2025 Bajaj Qute car is expected to feature a small yet efficient engine, likely a 216cc single-cylinder or a small electric powertrain variant. This engine is designed to offer optimal fuel economy, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting and commercial use. The power output may not be high, but for a vehicle designed for city driving and short intercity travel, the balance between efficiency and performance is well maintained. The expected fuel economy is around 35 to 40 km/L for the petrol variant, while the electric model might provide a range of approximately 120 to 150 km per charge. Inside the Qute car, Bajaj has focused on maximizing space utilization. The seating arrangement is compact yet comfortable, designed to accommodate 9 passengers without making the ride feel cramped. The basic but functional dashboard layout includes an easy-to-read digital instrument cluster, a simple infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity, and essential controls for climate and lighting. Given its price segment, luxury features are minimal, but the car makes up for it with practicality and affordability. Safety is a crucial aspect, and Bajaj has incorporated basic safety features such as seat belts for all passengers, a reinforced body structure for crash protection, and optional airbags for the driver. While it may not match the safety standards of premium cars, it provides enough protection for city driving and short trips. The lightweight construction further ensures that the car remains stable and easy to handle, even on slightly rough roads. The Bajaj Qute car is primarily targeted at budget-conscious buyers, including large families, shared transport operators, and businesses requiring cost-effective mobility solutions. It is expected to be priced competitively, making it an attractive alternative to traditional auto-rickshaws and small commercial vehicles. Its running cost is lower than conventional cars, making it a sustainable choice for those looking for an economical and practical vehicle. With the increasing demand for fuel-efficient and affordable mobility options, the 2025 Bajaj Qute car 9-seater is set to be a popular choice in both urban and rural markets. It serves as an ideal solution for last-mile connectivity and shared mobility services, offering a comfortable ride at a fraction of the cost of traditional cars. As Bajaj continues to innovate in the compact vehicle segment, the Qute car is expected to play a significant role in transforming affordable transportation, especially in markets where space and cost are major concerns. In conclusion, the 2025 Bajaj Qute car 9-seater is a practical, economical, and efficient solution for those needing an affordable people mover. With its compact design, excellent fuel efficiency, and budget-friendly pricing, it is set to attract both individual buyers and businesses. While it may not be a luxury vehicle, it delivers where it matters most: affordability, efficiency, and practicality. As it hits the roads, it is likely to redefine the small car and shared mobility segment, making transportation more accessible to the masses.